Good morning, children. Tuesday today and ready for your maths. Fantastic 10 framework yesterday, so well done. You should be really proud of yourself. We are still going to be using our 10 frames today, but we're going to be doing something a little bit different, okay? So behind me, you can see on my board, I've got some magnetic animals. And let's challenge ourselves. See if we can remember to count up in ones is easy. So let's do it really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's challenge ourselves to count up in twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6. Let's try that again. Ready? 2, 4, 6. Now some of you might even be able to count up in 3. So we've got 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go 3, 6. Wow, you're really challenging yourself this morning. That's brilliant. Right, what we're going to be doing today is you need to find yourself some loose parts. So they can be magnets if you've got magnets on your fridge in your kitchen. It could be the same as yesterday. You could use shells, pasta, socks, toys, anything you can find, but you need 6 lot of them. Okay, so I've got 6 magnets. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a different arrangement of 6. How many different ways can you make 6? You could do it quite simple, just like this one. So we could just have 6 in a straight line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try and think of a different way to sort 6. So I've got 6 more things. So we're going to have 6 in a line, and then this time I'm going to do it differently. Okay, I'm going to do Can you see? I've still got 6 objects, but I'm putting them in a different way, a different arrangement. Okay, so we've got 6 just in a straight line, and then I've got a group of 6 here as well. And what have I done with this group of 6? Have I gone in a straight line? No. What have I done? Yeah, I've done a row of 2, 2, and 2. Let's count up in twos together. Ready? 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so we've got an arrangement of 6 in a straight line. Arrangement of 6 in a 2 and a 2 and a 2. Let's see if we can do a different arrangement of 6. So I've got 6 more objects to show you. Okay, you can use the same objects each time, or if you've got lots of the same objects, you can do just like me. Just keep making different ones. Let's do a different one this time. Okay, let's do a bit more of a challenging one. Oh, there we go. So different. I've still got my 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I've ordered it in a different way. So my first one, remember, was just in a straight line. My second one, I did a row of 2, and then another row of 2, and then another row of 2. And then this time, I've done something different. I've sort of made a diamond shape. Can you see? So I've got 1, then I've got a row of 4, and then I've got another one. So can you see, even though you're doing it in a different arrangement, every time you still make 6. Okay, so that's the first activity I want you to do. Go and find some different objects. Only 6 today, and then see if you can make different arrangements of them. What sort of patterns can you make using just 6? Okay, so I'm going to move these up to the top, because then the next part is to challenge yourself a little bit more. Okay, so I'll move these up so we can still see my arrangements of 6. Okay, but this time we're going to just put 6 in a 10 frame. Now, how many different ways can you put 6 in a 10 frame? So here's my 10 frame. I'm going to pop that up there so you can see it. Now, I'm only going to put 6 in, so you might want to draw just circles or dots or smiley faces or hearts. I'm going to go for circles today, so I'm only putting 6 in. But how many different ways can I put 6 in a 10 frame? Let me get it a bit closer so you can see. Okay, so you can see my 10 frame. I'm going to go for 6. I'm going to go 1 here, so 1. Each time you put 1 in, make sure you're counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so can you see on my 10 frame, I've still got space, but that's fine because we're only using 6 today. And I've arranged my 6 in my 10 frame. So I've got 3 across the top and 3 across the bottom. So that's telling me that if I have 3 and 3 more, that would make 6. Okay, right, let's do a different one. I've got another 10 frame. Okay, so let's pop that one up here a little bit so we can use that one as well. And let's see if we can do a different one. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put, let me see. I'm going to put 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this time it's just a different pattern. At this end, I've got 1, 2, 3. And this end, I've got 1, 2, 3. So if you cut it in half, we've still got 3, and 3 makes 6. Okay, are you ready for another one? Let's do a different one this time. Okay, let's do, let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, can you see? Each time I'm putting my dots in different places, but I'm just making 6. So on this one, we had 3 at the top, add 3 equals 6. Now on this one, we sort of gone them all over, but if we cut it in half, we'd still have 3, and 3 makes 6. And on this one, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and I'm adding 2 more on this side, and it still makes 6. Okay, so let's have a look. So we've got 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom, 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom, 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom. Okay, so each time, can you see it's 3 and 3 and 3? Let's see if we can just do one more. Okay, so I'm going to rub this one out that we've just done. And I'm going to add some different arrangements this time. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, can you see? It's not 3 across the top this time. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, add 1 more underneath, make 6. Can you see that there's lots of different ways to make the number 6? So first of all, today your challenge is to have 6 objects, and I want you to sort them in different ways. How many different ways can you sort your objects? Can you do an easy line like me? Can you put them in a row of 2? Can you put them in something a little bit more trickier? Then, once you've done that, I want you to use your 10 frame, and I want you to only put 6 dots in your 10 frame and see how many different ways you can make 6 using different ways where you put your dots. So can you see? This is different to this one, and this is different to this one. Okay, see how many you can do. Can't wait to see what you get up to. Okay, have fun with your 6, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.